Hello YouTube, how you doing? This is Kevin Lee. I received another question. It talked about IRAs and 401ks and different things. You know, on my channel I like to use planning and gardens and all this stuff to express my topics and my ideas. But in this case, what I want to do first and foremost is put my disclaimer out. I'm not a financial expert. I'm just sharing to you my ideas for entertainment purposes. So think of it as I gave you a whole bunch of seeds. You want to buy 100 seeds. When you buy the seeds, you pay taxes. Let's say $10 tax on those 100 seeds. It was $100, you paid me 10. You plant the seeds, you get a whole harvest, you get a whole bunch of fruit, but I'm not going to tax you on the fruit because I already taxed you once on the seeds. Another situation is I give you the seeds, you plant the seeds, and I say I'm going to tax you on the harvest. Every time you get a yield, you plant it, you get a whole bunch of apples, I'm going to tax the apples. I won't tax the seeds, but I'm going to tax your harvest, which will be the apples. In that situation, you had seeds and you had a harvest. I look at it like this. When you have a 401k, your money is not taxed. So you make money from your job, you get $1,000 or $100, it grows to $1,000 when you pull it out, the government takes taxes. That's 401k. Or you get taxed in your money, you made a money at your job, you're supposed to make 100, you brought home 90. Now you take the 90 and you invest it, and it grows to 1,000, 2,000, and you don't pay any taxes on it because the money was taxed before you brought it out. Before you took it home from your job, it was taxed. So IRAs is like you're taxing on, you get taxed on the seeds because the harvest grows and you don't have to pay taxes on it. On 401k, you get taxed on the harvest because you didn't pay taxes on the seeds, which was your money. I hope I didn't confuse you, but if you think of it, I always think 401k, you're taxing me on the harvest. IRAs, you're taxing me on the seeds. You gotta pay taxes. Thank you.